Hey everyone, want to add e-commerce capabilities to your Webflow site using Shopify? Well, I've got you covered. Let's get into it. First, set up your Shopify account and add your products. In Shopify, go to Settings, click on Sales Channels. Click Buy button and add this channel. Generate buy buttons for the products or collections you want to display. Customize the button's appearance and get the embed code. In Webflow, navigate to the page where you want to add the product. Drag an embed element onto the canvas. Paste the Shopify buy button embed code into the editor. Then save and close. Style any surrounding elements to match your site's design. Repeat for additional products or collections. You should note that transactions will be handled through Shopify's checkout. So test the buying process to ensure everything works smoothly. And there you have it. You've integrated Shopify with your Webflow site. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. I'll catch you later.